Hey Astrothinkers, welcome to NMC's Physics channel. Today we are going to find out, can an asteroid completely destroy our beautiful blue planet? I'm not talking about the conversion of Earth into a red hot ball of fire, but I'm talking about the complete destruction of our blue planet. Can an asteroid do that to a planet? Let's find out in the video. And if you want to know the answer, then please watch the video till the end. Before that, we need to know what makes these asteroids very destructive. Actually, the mass and the velocity of the asteroids make the asteroids very destructive. And the energy emitted by the asteroid impact is known as the kinetic energy. Means the kinetic energy will be converted into this destructive force of energy and probably destroy anything in its way. So how do we calculate this kinetic energy? As I said, the mass and the velocity of the asteroids are the reason for the destructive energy emitted from the asteroid impact. From the mass and velocity, we can find the kinetic energy, and that is the kinetic energy equals to half mv square, where m represents the mass of asteroid and v represents the velocity of asteroid. Here, if you don't know what the velocity is, velocity means the speed in a particular direction, and here velocity means the speed of asteroid towards the Earth. Firstly, let's check the velocity of the asteroid to be 30 km per second, because the fastest meteorite ever is the Shuttersmill meteorite, which was estimated to have a velocity of 28.3 km per second. That's the reason why I took 30 km per second. It's a round figure of 28.3 km per second velocity, and it makes easy to calculate. But still, we need mass to calculate the kinetic energy, but we can't assume mass like velocity. So let's find the mass with the help of some basic physics formulas from the formula of density, where density equals to mass by volume. From this formula, we get mass equals to volume into density. If we assume the asteroid to be perfectly spherical, we can find the volume of asteroid with the help of volume of sphere formula, which is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Means if we know the radius of the asteroid, then we can get the volume of the asteroid too. But there is another thing also, we need to find the mass, and that is density. Let's take the density to be 1500 kilograms per meter cube, as it's the density of rock. So we have everything to calculate the impactor energy of an asteroid. So what are we waiting for? Let's start the video. Firstly, let's take an average asteroid which has a radius of 500 meters, and using the formulas that I said just now, we get the mass of asteroid as 785.4 billion kilograms approximately. And from the kinetic energy formula, by taking the velocity as 30 kilometers per second or 30,000 meters per second, we get the kinetic energy of the asteroid as 3.5 into 10 to the power of 20 joules, which is strong enough to cause a global impact and destroy an entire city in a fraction of a second. But still, this energy is not enough to completely destroy the Earth. So let's go even more beyond towards the asteroid that made dinosaurs extinct. And the size of the asteroid that made dinosaurs extinct is 10 kilometers in diameter. So we will take the radius of asteroid as 5 kilometers, and this asteroid cannot destroy our planet. But let's find out how much energy needed to make a mass extinction like the Chicxulub impactor asteroid made. Again, from the same method, I got the mass of this asteroid as 785.4 trillion kilograms, 1,000 times more massive than that of the previous asteroid we have just calculated. This big asteroid can emit an energy of 3.5 into 10 to the power of 23 joules, 1,000 times more energetic than the previous impact we have just discussed. This energy is enough to cause a mass extinction event all over the globe. But after knowing this, I got to know that there's a long way to completely destroy our planet. So let's directly go to the largest asteroid ever discovered in our solar system, and the asteroid named is Ceres. It has a radius of 473 kilometers, so let's take it as 500 kilometers. Oh sorry, I missed one point. I think in order to destroy our planet, we need an energy of 2.25 into 10 to the power of 32 joules of energy. Now let's find out, can Ceres destroy our beautiful home. The mass of asteroid that has the diameter of Ceres could be 7.85 into 10 to the power of 20 kilograms. This is 2 times greater than the estimated energy emitted by a 1 kilometer diameter asteroid. I have my hopes on this asteroid. I believe this could destroy Earth. So let's check out from the kinetic energy formula, which is half mv squared. 1 by 2 into 7.85 into 10 to the power of 20 into 30,000 square. And I got the answer, and this is very surprising to me because the kinetic energy or the impactor energy that this asteroid could emit is 3.5 into 10 to the power of 29 joules. Still, it need to be 1000 times more stronger to completely destroy Earth into pieces of asteroids. So, Earth doesn't have a problem from nearby asteroids, but we humans may have, because a 1 kilometer size asteroid is enough to destroy a city in fraction of a second and may cause a global damage and also make many species extinct. Okay guys, if you got to know something new from this video, then please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe and on the bell icon to get all my upcoming video notifications. Thanks for watching and I hope to meet you guys in my upcoming video.